my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Charlotte. Today I'm going to be doing something that's a little different. So consecutively I've done quite a few makeup videos, so I thought I'd switch it up, do a bit of fashion if anyone's interested. I'm going to be doing like a how to style / lookbook for faux leather leggings and trousers. Now I have two different types I'm going to show you. I have the matte look ones, so they're just like the faux leather ones, and then I also have the wet look ones, like the vinyl. I'm not too sure what my style is, it like mixes up from time to time, but if you're interested or want some inspiration, then so yeah, let's just get into the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, because this video took me so long to do, I'm not even gonna lie. And if you want to see more videos from me every Friday, then please hit the subscribe button, because that means a lot. Join the family. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, and that, to me, that's a lot. It might not be a lot to you guys, but it is a lot to me. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.